Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the RJ Martin Q36 for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram if you want to see some of this stuff. This guy comes with this super wool kind of like padded I don't know, leather. I don't know if this is leather pouch, but it's pretty cool. And inside you're gonna find your RJ Martin Q36. This is a nice custom knife, guys. Let's see, the overall length for the blade is gonna be 4 inches and the handle is gonna be 5 inches. So the overall length is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be like a little bit less than 9 inches. So this is a big boy. It is a custom knife. It is the RJ Martin Q36. This is a liner lock with bolsters made out of titanium and this carbon fiber, like marble. I think that's not shredded, it's marble, yeah. Carbon fiber scales with the carbon fiber back spacer. It's very, very well done. You got a tip-up carry only titanium pocket clip, which I'm not really a fan of this. It's very simple design. I mean, it's effective. You have a nice clip ramp. It's gonna hold the knife properly in the pocket. But yeah, it's just me. I'm not a fan of these kind of pocket clips. You got blue anodized screws for the handle on both sides and for the clip, and just silver for the bolsters. 3 in the show side, and also, of course, in the back, which are hiding. Sorry, the pivot, which is just underneath that set of bolsters, so it's gonna give you like this unusual look. Usually, you know, you see the pivot right over here, and then you got this flipper tab in the classic RJ Martin, which is gonna work like perfectly. The blade, look at that. Pretty cool grind. Of course, you got some nice jimping going on, nicely chamfered on the spine up to this point, I would say over here, and then you just see like this belly going on up to this point, and then recurves up to the beginning of the, I would say, like yeah, it's kind of like a finger choil, because you see it's not sharpened all the way up to there. You see how it's doing, so you can still safely hold your finger right here. There's no sharpening choil, so just keep that in mind. So you have to stop kind of like right there when you sharpen this. There is a little bit of chamfering going on over here. I mean, it's a nice one. In the hand, this guy holds very well. The handle is a little bit boxy, a little bit chunky, but I mean, it's a liner lock with thick liners. Look at that, and scales and everything, thick back spacer. So in the hand, it feels very good. There's a great ergonomics all around the handle. No hot spots for the clip. And yeah, it feels good. You can choke it up like that because you see it's not sharpened up to the end. And then the action is on bearings, of course, and this guy is just firing out like a rocket and very smoothly closing in the closed position. And the sound, whew, wow, this is a loud sound, guys, really intense and pleasant. So there you have it, guys. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.